And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to use the basic color swatches. So this is kind of like a replacement for the color guide in Illustrator that I've recently found, so I wanted to make a video about it. You can see all of these swatches in the menu below. Let me create a simple rectangle. I'll control when I do, so that I've got a square. And when I simply left click on these swatches, I can change the fill color, and when I hold shift and click on them, I can change the stroke. And you can see that indicated in the bottom left. When I click on the X, I can get rid of the fill and the stroke, depending on if I hold shift or not. And let me copy that, and I create a simple logo design. So I press Ctrl D to copy my squares. I'll make it 4x4. I've created a similar logo design in one of my Illustrator tutorials. So let me make this the letter P, and I need a corner effect for that. So let me go to Path Effects, I click on the plus sign, and I use corners. It's right up here at the right top. Now I use the nodes tool and I drag this node inwards to have a curvature. And I repeat that for the square below. Alright, so let's get back to our color swatches. And right now I've got the Inkscape defaults activated, so it should look the same for you, but if you click on this little triangle right here in the bottom right, we've got more defaults to choose from. For example, this khaki version or this khaki color palette. And now we can use that like the color guides in Illustrator. So the selection is not as plentiful as it is in Illustrator, but it's still a good way to quickly find color combinations that look good. And as you can see, it's fairly easy to use them. Keep in mind that when you close Inkscape and you restart it, it should show at the bottom the last color palette that you've selected. So if you want to return to the default state, click on the triangle again and then select the Inkscape default. And this is how you can use these basic color swatches in Inkscape. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.